If you want to go from an E to an A star in biology, then watch this video because it will save you for your A levels. This is a 3-month guide, so if you want something longer, let me know. For the first month, you basically want to do a bunch of topic questions and aim to do 2 topics a week. Write down the questions that you got wrong alongside the model answers. Something in like a book like this or even in flashcards would be really helpful. The marking scheme you will find is also quite vague, especially when you're doing past papers as a whole and things like that. It becomes quite vague. So what I would suggest you to do is to basically speak to your teachers for help, asking them to like explain what the content is, or you can message me or you can use ChatGPT as well. For the second month, you want to do exam preparations and continue with any topics that you haven't completed yet. If you have your mocks coming up in January, you're going to need this and begin past papers at the same time. So what I would do is split it up by doing 2 topics a week. On top of that, doing 1 past paper a week as well. And then do the same with the notes before. If you had a mistake or anything like that, add the question into your notes, add the model answers into that, and you'll be fine. And lastly, for the final month, you want to continue with your past papers. When you run out of the past papers as well, you want to start doing other exam boards. You should not be confined to just your exam board because the content is the same anyways, especially for biology. The way they structure the wording or the keywords is probably a bit different between the different exam boards. However, the actual content itself is still good. So what I would suggest you to do would be to do like 3 of the past papers from your own exam boards and then do other exam boards in between, and then towards the exams in the like final 2 weeks go back to your exam board so that you get used to the style. And a bit of a bonus for you, watch crash course videos of the topics that you've covered already so that you get visuals of every single one of them, and watch every single practical that is coming up in your exam so that you also get a visual of it. Aside from that, you'll be fine. All the best, bye.